What's going on, guys? Like you saw in the last video, we put a rooftop tent on the Cayenne, and today we're heading down to SoCal, number one, to go to the Porsche Experience Center down in LA, and then we're gonna wrap up the trip testing out the rooftop tent. We're camping outside of Santa Clarita, and we're gonna test it out for the first time. So excited! We've got Nelly back here, by the way. She's been great on this road trip. And of course, on our way down to SoCal, we had to stop at Harris Ranch. So I'm gonna go get some barbecue. All right, good morning, guys. We made it down to SoCal. We're about to head over to the Porsche Experience Center, LA. Thanks, Jen.
You're welcome.
All right, let's hop in and go. There it is, guys. PECLA. Ooh. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. We made it. 955 friend. Nice. Oh, there's so many cool cars just in the parking lot, guys. Are you ready, Jen?
I am. I'm ready for Porsche-shaped butter.
I am so ready for Porsche-shaped butter too. I guess we're pretty early for our reservation, so we're gonna walk around for a bit, check out what's here. Thank you for booking this. Taking me here. Check out this meeting room. It's named Cayenne. And I guess I can reserve it all day today. Checking out some racetracks. Le Mans. Ah, our home track. Laguna Seca. So guys, here's all the colors. I'm gonna try to find Orient Red. I think it's that one. It was really easy, actually. I didn't realize it was gonna be so easy to spot that. It's like literally between all the reds. Like Orient Red just has such a specific metallic to it. Check out this butter. The detail. So crazy. Oh no, the salt. We got 917 Wagyu burgers. I got some duck fat fries. I didn't know you can get the fries without the duck fat, but we're gonna try them out. But what a view, guys. What a view.
In the back, one in the front, one in the back.
Yeah, I'll take front, I guess.
Okay,
You sure?
just head over to the passenger side here.
Hello.
Hey.
Let's have whoever wants shotgun jump in shotgun.
All right.
Because of you, once you're out there, no recording.
Oh,
Yeah,
for sure.
yeah. But definitely get a little bit of footage on it anywhere out, okay?
Oh yeah, no, thank you.
On the way out, you can take.
That Cayenne experience was insane, right? So even though I didn't get to record, we were able to go up like this 40-degree incline and then a pretty steep 70-degree incline where when you're coming down, like you're literally just held in by your seatbelt. Like you are pushed forward and held in. But that was really fun. You guys can see it right there. We climbed Mount Porsche. And check out our badges too, guys. Little Cayennes on them. Yeah. So guys, what Jen was telling me is that on Thursdays, you can bring your own car out here. And I don't know. I feel like I'd be really tired from driving the turbo down 5-6 hours and then like getting here, tracking it, and then driving home. But I feel like I'd rather beat up on one of the cars that are already here, not have to worry about maintenance, but I mean, to drive the turbo on another track would be kind of cool. Thank you, Jen. Guys, check out this rough road. That right there just looks insane. This doesn't even look like we're in America. Look at that. Oh my God.
It's like peak America.
Oh yeah, okay, fine. This is like peak America. Jeez.
This is like right outside the Porsche Experience Center.
I know. This is where they need to do the Porsche off-road experience. Oh my God. Of course, we're in LA, and there happens to be an Ineos Grenadier. This is the first thing I ever drove off-road during a a really, really small marketing campaign that they were doing. But all right, cool to see one in person. We made it to specifically Tian Hong Kong down here in Westminster. Right there. Excuse me, Tian Hong Kong Express. I'm gonna share a screenshot right here of how massive their portions are for like $8.99. It's been going viral on TikTok and we had to check it out. Even though it was like a 30-minute drive, so. Oh, let's do it. That's crazy, guys. Ooh. Guys, apparently this thing is hefty. Let me see. Oh, what?
I don't want to let go.
Oh my God, yeah, don't let go. Thank you for the help. That is heavy, guys. All right, guys, we made it back to the hotel. This is hefty. Like, that is definitely the heaviest food I've ever bought in my life. That's crazy that this bag is still holding this together. And like, the container is literally falling apart. I ended up getting a 2-item combo. Jen got a 1-item combo, and you can see it through the bag. They're like bursting out of the containers, right? Like you literally can't close them. This is gonna be awesome. Here's the 1-item combo. Whoa. Okay. Let's open up number 2. Oh my God. You know what? I'm probably gonna eat it out of the bag. That seems like a smart idea because, guys, this is too much. This is a 2-item combo. I thought they were gonna do like a half and half when they started loading up the orange chicken, but they just kept on going. And they piled on the barbecue pork, and this is just crazy. So we're gonna enjoy these while watching diners, drive-ins, and dives. So we'll see y'all later. Guys, today's the day. We're going camping. Woot woot. You ready, Nelly? Oh, you're ready. You're forever ready. Look at her. She doesn't care where we go as long as she's with us, honestly. We're gonna take a quick pit stop in Santa Clarita before we head out into the mountains. It's like an hour from Santa Clarita, so we're gonna get some gas just to make sure we can make it over into the mountain and then back down. All right, little detour to the Vasquez Rocks natural area. Wow, rocks. Cool. I feel like we've gone too far, guys, and I feel like I should have stopped somewhere, but okay, we're just gonna keep looking at Vasquez Rocks. Yeah, you can tell these are Vasquez Rocks by the way that they are.
Good thing we did that off-roading demo yesterday.
I know. Shout out to you, Jen, for the off-roading demo. I feel really great driving in the dirt right now. How much farther does this go? I feel like it's got to stop eventually, right? Before we left LA, we decided to have lunch with Javi and Natalie. They recommended that we checked out these rocks. What rocks are they? Oh, the Vasquez Rocks, right? Yeah, they recommended we checked out the Vasquez Rocks, and I'm so glad we did. This place is so cool, guys, and like, the Cayenne looks so sick, like, with all the rocks. I don't know what it is, but it looks so right. This was a really cool stop at the Vasquez Rocks. Again, shout out Javi and Natalie for the wreck. Now we're on our way to our camping spot. Guys, we're out here. We're like a mile away from our destination, and it's just all dirt roads. All right, guys, we made it. This is our spot for the night. We're sandwiched between this storage container and some like random little sheds, but we're here. Let's go explore. By the way, Cayenne did great. Thank you, Cayenne. Just like that, you guys were set up to sleep. Where's that?
I'm coming up.
Okay. Here, I gotcha.
It hurts with no shoes on.
Did you take your shoes off too?
Yeah.
Yeah, the ladder kind of hurts a little bit, but no shoes. But we made it. Yeah. How you doing down there, Nelly? Here's the tent fully set up. We're ready to camp. We have Nelly here in her little wagon with a couple toys. Hi, Nelly. Oh. We have our itty bitty table. Finally put the rain fly up. And I guess I should zip this so we don't get a ton of bugs in there. But yeah, come check it out with me, guys. This is it. We have our comforter, our pillows, two-sided zippers. Here's our setup. We got our Pringles, Airheads, got some Target beef jerky. We got our pillows, got my hoodie, lights, more lights, more snacks, some water. We're all set. And I don't feel claustrophobic in here at all. What about you, Jen?
It's cozy.
Yeah, this is cozy. What about you, Nelly? Yeah, you want to show us your favorite spot? Everywhere, huh? Wherever the food is. Good morning, guys. We just finished up our first night of camping ever in our lives. In the rooftop tent. Hi, Nelly. hit the road. It's Jen's first time driving the Cayenne. Don't leave me, don't leave me. Jen is driving in the dirt. This is her first time ever driving the Cayenne. That is not a scary sign at all, guys.
What does it say?
No trespassing. Violators will be shot. Survivors will be shot again.
Oh my god.
Let's go.
The dog's coming, their little dog's coming.
Oh no, no. Their dog's coming. Nelly, chill, chill. Oh, what a cute little guard dog. Please don't shoot us, guys. We're just on our way out. All right, we survived. We survived. Good job, Nelly. Kept them away. Little do they know, we have our own guard dog. Thanks, girly. All right, guys, that wraps it up. That was me and Jen and Nelly's first time ever camping in our lives. Like, we're not really dirt people, so I didn't want to get a ground tent, set that up, get all muddy, bring that in. I don't know, and I love cars. I love building cars, so I figured this whole rooftop tent situation was gonna be best of both worlds, right? Like, you can venture out into the world in something cool that you built. You can sleep on top of it on a memory foam mattress and be comfortable. And then, you know, next day just pack it up, throw all your stuff in the back and head out. So, mission complete. This passed the test of exactly what I built it for, so thanks, Jen. Thanks, Nelly, for testing it out with me. But, alrighty, y'all. Many more camping trips ahead. This was just the first, and this thing checks out. Thank God. But, alrighty, y'all. Until next time, peace. Alright, we made it over the grapevine, so we decided to treat ourselves to some Arby's. We've never had Arby's before, so I'm excited to see what the hype's about. Classic roast beef, classic beef and cheddar. Oh, it's gonna be so good, hopefully. And we got some, what are these, potato cakes? They're literally just hash browns. Guys, I took a bite. Mine's literally just roast beef inside of bread. Jen got roast beef with some cheese at least, so.
And sauce.
And sauce. Mine's just roast beef and bread. Oops.
Classic.
Classic.